Okay, hey guys. Okay, so that was like a total fail. Okay, let me just restart. Take two. Hey guys, what's up? Oh god. Take three. So hey guys, today we're going to be doing something that I've never done before. It is a subscriber milestone, even though I have only like 45 or something. Yeah, like 45. So, enjoy this thing. I guess you can call it a skit. I don't really know. So, enjoy. You hear the news? Well, what news are you talking about? RJ, go check your live channel. Okay. What now? Did this really just happen? No one cares. I have like 75,000 and then you only have like 44. No one cares. I care. Wait. I just saw this person in tomorrow. Now they're here again? They follow me again. That would be crazy. God. Oh my gosh, leave me alone. Oh my gosh. So if you enjoyed that video, even though it was disgusting and lame, but oh well. So bye.